Hi, my name is Matt Forbes, co-owner of Auto Hail HQ, located right here in Carrollton, Texas. When it comes to auto hail restoration, we are one of the leading companies in the DFW Metroplex area. We are a family veteran-owned business that's built on honesty and integrity. At Auto Hail HQ, we understand that your time is precious. So in the event that you do experience hail damage, we've created a concierge program to save you time and money. Our services for the concierge program include free pickup and delivery, filing your claim for you, making arrangements with your adjuster to meet at our facility in order to get an estimate on your vehicle and make sure it's done on time. In addition, we also provide you with a free rental vehicle, deductible assistance to keep your out-of-pocket expenses at a minimum, as well as premium protection. Premium protection allows us to basically cover your premiums to make sure that there's no increases for filing the hail claim. In addition to all that, we offer a lifetime warranty on all repairs. So if you've recently experienced hail damage or even in the last year, feel free to give us a call at 469-381-7337. Again, I'm Matt Forbes with Auto Hail HQ, where we take pride in your ride.